Hey y'all, welcome back. So this is part 2 of the holiday twist out. So this video, I'm basically just going to be unraveling my flat twist out, and I'm going to use some, what is it called? Wild growth oil just to oil my hands and undo the twist. What I like to do is add oil to my hands because it keeps the twist from being frizzy. Alright, so as you can see in just a moment, it's already like very defined, and I think that Lotta Body, the foaming mousse, I think that had a lot to do with the definition in this twist out. But yeah, like I think it came out very nice and defined. So I'm just going to continue to do the rest of my head to take it down. Now, when taking out your twist outs, you want to take your time, because if you try to move too fast, then your hair will come out frizzy. One side of my head was more frizzier than the other. Well, it wasn't more frizzier. It was just that, like, it was less defined. It was still defined, just not as defined as the first side, if that makes sense. But anyways, what I'm doing now is just pulling at my root and adding a little heat just to stretch it a little bit, just to give it a little bit of stretch, because you know shrinkage is real when you have the 4C, any type 4 hair. Your shrinkage is real. So this is a little trick that I do just to elongate it a little bit. So the next step, I'm just going to pick out the parts. This is how it's looking in the back. I'm just gonna lift at my root, try not to disturb the ends of my hair and the little, the definition in the twist out. Just kind of lift it just to add a little bit more volume and a little bit more body to it. So I wasn't feeling how the front was looking, so I just decided to put 2 small twists at the top and the front, just to, kind of style it a little bit. And this is how I ended up wearing it for the day. I like it. It was really cute. I love the color in my hair. I think that played a huge part in me liking this style. I just really love the color. I think I did a really good job on it. If you want to know how I did the color, I will list that below so that you guys can see it. But like I said, that's all for this twist out. Like, it wasn't hard. It was very easy. So I'm just gonna add some edge control, which this edge control was called, I think it's called Time Out. I just picked it up from the beauty supply store. I'm always trying different edge controls. But anywho, this is how it turned out. It was really nice and defined. So these are just a few pictures that I took so that you guys can get a better look at how it turned out. This is the side slash the back. This is another side slash the back angle. This is the front. And this is the other front picture. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.